Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to teach you how to connect the flat ribbon cable to any device. This is a USB floppy emulator 26 pin, but any device that takes a flat ribbon cable, there's a certain way that you need to insert the cable or else it's not going to work. So I'm going to explain in full detail because a lot of the times, due to lack of good connection or reverse polarity, I hear complaints that these units don't work. So here's how you do it. Okay, if you notice, the cable has two different sides. One side has a blue ribbon or plastic, the other side has shiny pins. Okay, the blue ribbon always goes where this little notch is, these little plastic pieces. So basically, this is how this is supposed to go in. The plastic piece, this little plastic tab, is supposed to push the blue plastic so these pins could make a good connection. Now, the common problems that I see are the following problems. Let me zoom in a little bit. So sometimes the cable is plugged in like that. So halfway it's entered, halfway it's not. Sometimes the cable is plugged in like this, not inserted all the way. Sometimes the cable is plugged in this way. Sometimes the cable is plugged in reverse, completely reverse. And sometimes the cable is plugged in correctly and it's even pushed in all the way, but the tab, which is supposed to hold the cable, is only pushed in halfway. See this tab? This is supposed to go in all the way. So even though the cable appears to be tight, let me close one side of the tab. So notice how the cable is not aligned properly. It's more deep here and it's sticking out there. So I have to pull the tab out, push it, and then close the tab, right? So you would think this is correct? Wrong. This is still not good. Why? Because the tab is closed from one end, not the other end. So you have to make sure this tab is pushed in all the way, pushed in, all the way pushed in here, closed in here. There is basically no gap. Let me get a screwdriver, show you. No gap here, no gap there, pushed in all the way, and this is all aligned, and the shiny section barely shows. Basically, all the shiny silver is inside. It barely shows out. Now this is a good connection. Watch. It's a very good connection, very secure connection. Now to take it out, you have to pull these tabs out. There. Both tabs are out. Now this comes very easily. Comes out very easily. Now, again, make sure the cable is inserted all the way in and the tabs are pushed in parallel. Like you have to apply pressure on both ends parallel, not like I did. I did to show you how it shouldn't be done. Like push to apply pressure on this end and then this end. No, you don't want to do that. You want to apply pressure parallel like this. Like that. Both ends parallel. Now this is a good connection. Okay, that's how you connect these. I hope this video was useful to you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.